Hi garden friends, welcome to our garden here in Southern California. We have a lot of tomatoes in the kitchen. We also have a lot of tomatoes still on the vine that are being harvested almost every day. As I was making dinner tonight, I realized I had no tomato sauce, but I do have a lot of tomatoes. So first thing I did was I browned my ground turkey with some onion and some seasoning. And after that was ready, today I'm going to try making some instant tomato sauce. I also added some garlic, and here are the peppers from a recent video. I'll leave the link below. I have these in the freezer and it was really easy to pull these out. Spanish rice is basically meat, rice, and a lot of bell peppers. After that meat is almost all the way brown, I added 1 cup of rice. For seasoning, I added some chili powder and some cumin. Turn the meat and rice off. I want it to wait until I'm done making my instant tomato sauce. I wasn't exactly sure how many tomatoes I would need for this Spanish rice dish. I started with 4 and it turns out that's exactly what I needed. So I made about 2 cups of tomato sauce in my blender. I just threw those tomatoes in, and before you knew it, I had what I needed for my dinner tonight. Spanish rice is one of my go-to meals that I kind of throw together without a recipe. It's basically 1 pound of meat, some peppers and spices, of course, 1 cup of rice, and 2 cups of liquid, which is usually a can of tomato sauce and a little bit of water. After 20 minutes, I checked the rice. It was done. And last but not least, I just covered that beautiful casserole with a lot of shredded cheese. My instant tomato sauce turned out great in this dish, and you can bet that I'm going to be trying this method again. Thanks for joining us here, and we'll see you next time.